In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Black Myth Wukong to enable cheats like ultimate health and other gameplay boost. Check my video description for this side link. Scroll down. Under standalone version, select this first link. Click on this right arrow. Click on three dot icon and go to downloads. Select this three dot icon and download this dangerous file option and select it again. Once download done, select this folder icon. Double click on this trainer exe and select yes option. And now you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt Tab key to open up this trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Once you turn on the cheats, minimize this and I show you guys it's working. As you can see, the infinite health cheat is working. Press Alt Tab, just gonna disable that. As you can see, its health is reducing after turning off. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.